Ekiombe gia IBC ritkolia rero nigo gia soa ritkolia kabere Okwerikia bantu gwaka Chikura aso mwaka ogocha. Ime wadi ya Kemera ime ya Manga sub county abantu nigo GWESOKIA aso OBONGE ele kweneke buna Okwerikia bale buna ABAAKI Chikura kulinda bara naboigo abasae nigo babule GWESOKIA elinde kweneke nga morobeli yo ngoikiranole.
Tangoro Okwerikia ngwenyi makore iga otora se polling station yekorokwa enter under primary exercise kia voter registration igoron tuacha exercise kia voter registration countrywide na ande kera to kuligereria asogocha kwa abantu ate register na kifota igoro etana pia enge bitilo lakini today being the second day Abatorojenga for the turnout is quite improving. Na ande gotoko imisa abana Kenya bali baikire myaka 18 bali eligible for voting bacha so because this is a national event and when I have launched yesterday for the next 30 days we had our members bacha in large numbers but register voters. So one thing I can appeal to the general public and the administration where necessary, by me say abantu from their areas of operations budge in large numbers, because this exercise is going to be for the next 30 days from yesterday when we have launched countrywide.
Para de tencha rumura 2027. Kote wali batara wata kura, moja gake sobonge mu wate kure yiga ka rumura yumbya.
Etuleti